I keep doing these videos without my glasses, knowing I can't see. And hopefully I'm in focus. Trust the Lord with all thy heart. Welcome back to my channel. Hey. Today we're going to be doing a review of the new Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner, also known as Rescued. So this is enriched with avocado and tamanu oils. This is a sulfate-free, paraben-free, no mineral oil, no petroleum, no silicone deep conditioner. The directions say on clean, damp hair, apply a generous amount all over hair, making sure hair is coated from roots to ends. As an intensive repair treatment, cover hair with a plastic cap and sit under a warm hooded dryer for 10 minutes. Remove cap and remove all traces from hair. Oh, you can also use this as a regular rinse out conditioner. It says to leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Towel blot hair and style as usual. For optimal results, used after cleansing hair with any Aunt Jackie shampoo or co-wash. Of course, after using this particular conditioner, it does recommend using the leave-in and the stylers from the Sam collection. Today, we're gonna focus on the deep conditioner though. I'll focus on other products from the line in a separate video. I'll also leave the Rescued Conditioner's ingredients in the description box, so be sure to check it out down below. My hair is freshly cleansed. I shampooed with the Main Choice Exotic Kool-Aid shampoo, the guava kiwi mint one. I did condition my hair as well with the Main Choice Cheers conditioner. The deep conditioner has a nice light fresh scent. I wouldn't say it smells like grapes though. And it's a creamy texture, but it also has some like jiggle to it. It kind of reminds me of the Texture ID styling cream or the Ottawa conditioning gel. That kind of custardy jiggly texture. It is nice and creamy, and it does have some weight to it. And it has some nice oils in it too. I can feel the oils. So hopefully it has some decent slip. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my hair and I'll be right back. While I'm finishing up the first section that I applied it to, I did want to also mention that I had my hair in a t-shirt for maybe 20-30 minutes. So a good bit of the water has been soaked up in my hair. I'm applying this on damp hair. All right, let's try to ignore the fact that there's water dripping everywhere. So I just finished rinsing out the deep conditioner. I did rinse it out with cool water. And okay, so going on, I felt like I had to use a good bit of this. Not really sure if it's going to pick up, but I did use like a quarter of the jar. I used it on damp hair. That could contribute to why I had to be a little more heavy-handed with this. Also the consistency, because of how jiggly and custardy the texture is, I did feel like I had to go a little more heavy-handed to make sure that my hair was thoroughly saturated with the product. The deep conditioner doesn't have a lot of slips, or if you're someone that uses your deep conditioners to detangle your hair, I wouldn't recommend doing this. I had the deep conditioner in for about 30 minutes just under a plastic bag. As far as how my hair feels rinsing this out, my hair feels okay. This wasn't my favorite deep conditioner. It wasn't bad, but it's not something that I would run out and grab again. I do want to include that this does say that it's enhanced with a nourishing fusion of wheat protein, shea butter, avocado, and tamanu oils. This recovery treatment deep conditions and instantly leaves hair feeling softer, smoother, and mega hydrated, and helps seal in the moisture. Upon rinsing out the deep conditioner, I will say that my hair did feel somewhat soft, but it did feel a little strengthened as well. And looking at the ingredients, I do see that wheat protein is included. So if you are protein sensitive, this is something that you want to be cautious with using. Like I said, this was just okay for me. My hair does feel soft, but I wouldn't say it feels mega hydrated. I just don't. All in all, I did like the deep conditioner and I'll definitely be using it again, but it's just not my favorite. Let me know if you tried it and let me know if you liked it or if you have any other Aunt Jackie's recommendations for anyone down below. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.